The number of flood evacuees across Malaysia has risen sharply to 2,054 people from 782 families. Kelantan remains the worst hit with 1,565 evacuees sheltering in 12 relief centres, particularly in Tumpat, Bacho and Kota Baru, where floodwaters continue to rise. In Tumpat, 629 victims have been evacuated, while Bacho has 562 and Kota Baru 374. All three districts show increasing inflows overnight. Terengganu has one active centre in Kuala Nerus, housing 264 evacuees, while Kedah has opened two centres in Kulim for 225 victims. Telemetry data shows rivers in Johor, Perlis and Terengganu nearing or exceeding alert levels, raising concern of further flooding. Several key routes remain closed or partially accessible due to landslides, collapsed roads and damaged bridges. Weather alerts remain in place for the East Coast as authorities continue monitoring conditions.